everyone! So today we're going to discuss a specific type of biome called polar tundras. What are they, where are they, and what can we expect to see as far as organisms and climate is concerned in these locations? So let's just start with what a polar tundra is. A polar tundra is a type of biome located just below the ice caps of the Arctic, extending across North America to Europe and Siberia in Asia. You can also find this biome at the tops of very high mountains elsewhere in the world. Tundra is the coldest of all biomes, with the root of the word being the Finnish word tunturia, meaning treeless plain. But why is it called a treeless plain? Short answer, because there's no trees there. Long answer, because the ground is permanently frozen with a layer of permafrost that extends 10 inches to 3 feet deep, making it so trees cannot grow there. If one were to visit a tundra biome, you would likely only see plants like shrubs, sedges, mosses, lichens, and grasses. You may also see any range of the 400 different varieties of flowers that can grow. Don't completely count out the idea of trees though, because some birches will grow in lower latitudes of these areas. Fun fact, the growing season in polar tundras only lasts around 50 to 60 days out of the year. But let's be honest, the plants in this realm really aren't that interesting. We're here for the animals. We want polar bears! Now don't get too excited, because there isn't a whole lot of biodiversity here, with only around 48 types of land mammals. But do get excited, because of those 48, there are some pretty cool ones, like wolves, wolverines, arctic foxes, and my personal favorite, polar bears. These carnivorous animals survive by eating their fellow locals, snowshoe rabbits, lemmings, caribou, aka reindeer, and musk oxen. If you're looking for bugs though, keep your eyes out for black flies, deer flies, and lots of mosquitoes. There are also some migratory birds here like ducks and sandpipers. But why is the biodiversity of polar tundra so lacking? One reason is the temperature. Polar tundras are located primarily in the northern hemisphere, just below the ice caps biomes. This means it does not receive a whole lot of direct sunlight, making the average temperature here a lot colder than other areas of the world. The average annual temperature is around negative 18 degrees Fahrenheit and can get as low as negative 94 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter. In the summer, as high as around 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Another reason is the precipitation, or lack thereof. Polar tundras only receive around 6 to 10 inches all year, and almost all of that is snow. Here are a couple climatographs taken from specific locations in polar tundra regions to show this temperature-precipitation relationship a little better. The first one was done at Baker Lake, Canada, and as you can see, the highest temperatures and highest amounts of precipitation all happen during the warmer summer months. This graph's units are in Celsius and millimeters. Notice how the highest temperature doesn't even reach negative 10 degrees Celsius, which equivalates to less than 32 degrees Fahrenheit, the freezing point of water. That means this location didn't receive a drop of liquid rain all year. It only got snow and hail. Here's another couple graphs. One from Yakutsk, Russia, showing their highest temperature got to almost 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, in the month of July. In that same month, they also received a high of around 30 millimeters, 1.2 inches, of precipitation. This area has more vegetation than Baker Lake due to the presence of liquid precipitation and can even stand to have a few trees go. I'm running out of time here, and I've covered a lot of information, so I'll just leave you guys off with some cool pictures of the very cool, pun intended, biome. For more information, check out the links in the description box.